Today, we wrap your S3 website with CloudFront. It gives you HTTPS, caching, and global reach.
And we keep it simple with one default behavior for the whole path.
Exactly. Get and head allowed, automatic HTTP to HTTPS redirect, and a manage cache policy, so you do not reinvent rules.
Nice. One clean layer in front, instantly faster and safer for every viewer. S3 already serves the files. Why add another layer?
Because S3 alone is slow for global users. CloudFront pushes your content to edge locations worldwide, cuts latency, and gives you TLS out of the box.
And for updates, I can just invalidate paths instead of touching the bucket?
Yep, faster delivery, safer transport, cleaner versioning.
If we point CloudFront at the website endpoint, doesn't that mean the bucket stays public for now?
Yes, for this first pass, we keep the S3 website public and let CloudFront sit in front as a clean caching layer.
And we stick to one default behavior: redirect to HTTPS, use the manage cache policy, and cover everything with /*.
Exactly. Simple origin, simple behavior. We tighten things later when we introduce OAC and private bucket.
So even the CloudFront distribution is created without ever opening the console?
Exactly. The config file, the distribution, the status check, the final URL, every step comes straight from the CLI.
Meaning I can rebuild the entire stack in any region or account just by running the same scripts?
Right. No drift, no guessing. And the output domain is printed for you the moment the distro goes active. I'll run the scripts exactly as defined. No console, no manual steps.
So this is the real provisioning flow?
Yes. First, we generate the distribution config, then create it in AWS. CloudFront deployment is asynchronous and takes a few minutes, so I'll skip ahead once it's deployed.
That's the async part of AWS.
Exactly. Once ready, we fetch the URL and verify it with curl.
And 200 OK means the edge is serving traffic?
Correct. This is now a globally distributed endpoint.
I ran the curl check, got 200 OK and the VIA 1.1 CloudFront header.
Good. That confirms the request is being served from CloudFront's edge rather than straight from S3.
And the browser loads it over HTTPS automatically.
Sure. That means the distribution is active, the origin is wired, and caching is now in play.
If I refresh the page and still see the old version, that's CloudFront holding the cached copy, right?
Exactly. Edge caches don't update just because the S3 file changed.
So after syncing new content to S3, I trigger an invalidation, /* for now, narrower paths later.
Right. In production, you invalidate only what changed, but for demos, a full path wipe is fine.
And once the invalidation shows completed, the new version goes live instantly at the edge. So the foundation is set. S3 website in the back, CloudFront in front, HTTPS enforced, and caching handled.
Yep. And with invalidations, you stay in control when content updates.
Next step is tightening security with OAC and moving to a private S3 origin.
Right. Once that's in place, we can layer on smarter cache rules and custom error handling.